These pumpkin biscottis are made in one bowl and are a perfect treat for fall. Eat these pumpkin biscottis as is or add a pumpkin spice drizzle on top. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl of a hand or stand mixer, add melted butter, pumpkin puree, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together until combined. Add room temperature eggs to the mixture one at a time and continue mixing. Add all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, pumpkin pie spice, and ground cloves to the wet ingredients. Using the whisk attachment, continue mixing for about 2 minutes. Once the ingredients are combined, chill the dough in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Once the dough is chilled, place the dough on a cutting board or counter and using wet hands, shape the dough into a round shape. This dough is really sticky, so add more water to your hands if needed. Using a knife or bench scraper, cut the dough in half. Move both halves to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure you leave enough room in between since they will spread out while baking. Shape the dough again with wet hands and try to make these the same shape and size. Using a small brush, brush on some milk to the top and sides of the dough. Place the baking sheet in a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for around 25 to 30 minutes. Cool the loaves for 15 minutes and then cut into even slices. Place the slices on the baking sheet with one of the sides down and bake for 12 minutes. Turn the slices over and bake for another 12 minutes. Both sides should be a nice golden brown. To make the pumpkin spice drizzle, add confectioner's sugar to a bowl and add hot water. Whisk together until it reaches the desired consistency to drizzle on the cooled biscotti. Add in the pumpkin pie spice and ground cloves and continue mixing. Drizzle over cooled biscotti with a piping bag or a plastic bag with a small cut in one of the edges. Store the biscotti in an airtight container for about 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.